Please follow these steps to enroll for your tuition or classes at Timeline Trust. Step 1. Visit our website www.timelinetrust.com and read about the test for which you wish to enroll for tuition or classes. After reviewing the information on our website, you may call us on 0266 733 700 or WhatsApp us on 0232 886 025 with all your further questions or enquiries. Kindly note that all enquiries are handled via our website www.timelinetrust.com or our hotline 0266 733 700 or our WhatsApp number 0232 886 025. Step 2. Book an appointment to visit Timeline Trust premises to pay for and complete a form for tuition or create an account for tuition on our website www.timelinetrust.com and use any of the acceptable payment methods to pay for and complete an online form for tuition. Step 3. Pay for the tuition fee at the premises of Timeline Trust or pay online via any of our payment methods listed on your account on our website. Step 4. Receive assistance from Timeline Trust to set up for your first activity. Step 5. Report at the premises of Timeline Trust in person or online for your first activity. Welcome to Timeline Trust.